Okay, here I am at this place. Just gonna do a quick little run through of all the units here. So let's get started. Here we have a Luxair which replaced a Goodman. I believe it was from 2012. Let's see, has this been running? Nope. That is a 2-ton from 2024. Kind of compressors. LG screw. Got a Maristar, which replaced a train executive about a year and a half ago. That could be the shuttle. That is a 1.5-ton from 2024. It's got a Reliant scroll. I don't think that's been running. Then we have the Grand Air. This one hasn't been running either. That is a 1.5-ton from 2021. It's weird. This year it doesn't seem to be running in heat mode. Last year it didn't run in heat mode at all. The year before it ran in heat mode a lot. Actually this year it ran once in heat mode. I did actually catch it defrosting, so. Is this Goodman? It has a cooking reset. Pump it's running. That is a 2-ton from 2004. Just running. Because it turned off the lights back there. Comfort, that is a 1.5-ton from 2018. And we have a Grand Air. I think it's been running, yeah. 2-ton from 2020. Oh, I hit the disconnect box by accident. I didn't switch it, I hit it, I bumped it, if you know what I mean. Another Grand Air. Come on, camera, focus. This one hasn't been running, I'm not surprised. 2-ton from 2021. Same with this one. I've only seen it running once in heat mode this year. I unfortunately did not catch it defrosting though like I did with that Grand Air over there. I like that ICP. This one has not been running. That is a 2-ton from 1999. It's got a little climate tuck reset. And then another one. But this one has been running. 2-ton from 98. Got an ICP. Then there's another new Luxair right there. Replaced an old Goodman from 2002. It is really quiet. Like when I was over there, I couldn't even tell it was running. That is a 2-ton from 2024, same as the other one. We have a Goodman right here. Has an open reset. Let's see here. That is a 2-ton from 2005, I believe. It's hard to read that. We have a Goodman and a pane right here. This Goodman's also super quiet. This is a big 2-ton from 2008. This one's a 2-ton from 2014. It has got the line. It's got a Copeland scroll. I think something was turned off over there. Can't tell what it was. And these last few bunches of heat pumps. And there are some Train XE800s over there, but they're all straight through, so I'm not going to film those right now. Got a big old Brian. I believe that to be a 3-ton from 2015. That good. That was not one. An ICP right here. And either 2-ton from 2013. This building right here is a 2-ton from 2013. Oh, this one's in defrost. Yeah, I did catch this Goodman's defrost, but it wasn't on a separate video. Here we have another Goodman. 2-ton from 2012. This one's the same thing. And we have a Grander, which is running. Where's the data? I'll go back here. That is a 2-ton from 2004. Got this Grander right here. Here's this American Standard Silver Series, which I've never seen one. That is a 1.5 from 2018. And finally, this Grander. That is a 2-ton from 2020. I was about to just not film that defrost because I've caught it a lot of times. But I decided why not do it since I've had to restart my channel. So that Goodman's still running. Is that in defrost? No. The fan's so quiet, I can't even tell if it's in defrost or not. ICP is still running. This train turned on. And this other train is still off. This Grander is still off, pump is still on, Goodman turned back on. And all of these are still off. That's going to be all for this video. Thanks for sticking around.